Dear students, today we shall study adverb. First of all, you should know what is an adverb. A word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called adverb. It means adverb is a modifying word and it modifies the meaning of a verb. It also modifies the meaning of an adjective, and an adverb sometimes modifies the meaning of another adverb. It means it can modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, they run fast. In this sentence, fast modifies the meaning of run. So, fast is an adverb. She is very intelligent. Intelligent is adjective and very modifies the meaning of intelligent. So, very is an adverb. Now we should come to its kinds. It has 7 kinds. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, interrogative adverb, adverb of number, adverb of quantity or degree, and adverb of region. At some places, you may find more than 7 kinds, but at least we should know 7 kinds which are the part of modern English grammar. We should see number 1, adverb of time. Adverb of time shows when something happens. It means it shows the time of an action. For example, today, yesterday, tomorrow. In sentence, the school is closed today. We should go tomorrow. She came here yesterday. In these sentences, today, tomorrow, yesterday are adverb of time. Number 2, adverb of place. It shows where something happens. It means it shows the place of an action. Example is here, there, everywhere. In sentence, come here, go there, the car is found everywhere. So these show place or where something happens. So here, there, everywhere, these are adverb of place. Number 3, adverb of manner. It shows how something happens. Like very, hard, clearly. He is very intelligent. She works hard. You write clearly. Generally, adverb of manner ends with ly. Many adverb of manner you will find where there is ly at the end, like neatly, beautifully, and others. Next, number 4, interrogative adverb. It shows or it is used to ask question. Interrogative adverb is used to ask question. Its example is when, where, how. In sentence, when do you get up? Where do you live? How do you write? So when, where, how, these are interrogative adverb. Next one, adverb of number. It shows the number or how often something happens. It shows how often something happens, like once, twice, thrice. He goes to cinema once a month. He eats twice a day. I have met him thrice. So once, twice, thrice, these are adverb of number. These show how often something happens. Adverb of quantity or degree. Adverb of quantity or degree shows how much something happens. Example is to, show, quite. In sentence, he was too weak. You are quite wrong. She is so glad. These are adverb of quantity or degree which show how much something happens. And last one, which is called adverb of reason. Adverb of reason shows why something happens, and its example are hence, therefore, why. In sentence, why did he go to Patna? He therefore visited Agra. In this way, we should see that adverb is a modifying word and it has 7 kinds: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, interrogative adverb, adverb of number, adverb of quantity or degree, and adverb of reason. Thank you. Have a nice day.